Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Namaste to everyone out there. I hope you're all at relative ease and peace today. So I want to do a little intro video just to premise this video. This last fishing adventure I didn't really talk a whole bunch, so I wanted to kind of lay out the day and kind of what happened before you see the clips. So a few days ago, my friend Max and I went and we fished for carp in a new stream. Well, fished for carp in a new stream for both of us. I've fished the Poudre River before, but up into the mountains. This is the first time I've visited it on the Front Range. Another person on Instagram and somebody I follow, Trailfather666, hooked me up with the location. I'm not going to give that location out. I think the Poudre River says it enough. I think there's carp all along the Poudre River from the Front Range all the way out east. So I think if you're chasing carp, Poudre River is a good place to do it. You don't have to catch and release carp, but please don't kill them unnecessarily. It doesn't really help anything. It doesn't help the carp from destroying anything. They really don't destroy a lot. They're kind of partners in the ecosystem. They've been here since the 1800s or late 1800s, I believe. So they're not a danger to anyone, and so there's no reason to kill them. Obviously, you have the right to, to each his own. But anyway, so we started a day fishing out the Poudre River. My friend Max that I went with that day, I actually met on Instagram about a year ago, and he's actually an amazing fly fisherman. He's the reason I got into carp fishing, and he has a really good take on and a really good beat on carp fishing. He really understands carp well, and so it's always great to fish with him, especially when it's around carp, because to me he is the local carp master. He's got some secret flies that I won't be revealing. That's something that would be purely up to him. I'll try to leave his Instagram page down in the bio so you guys can check out his stuff as well. He's an amazing guy. And so we started out fishing the day. I brought corn. He brought his flies, obviously. The first section we hit, Max hits one right away. Nice fish. We move farther down, and then I kind of set up with the corn. But later in the day, as we continued to fish, we noticed that there's tons of crawfish in the Poudre River. At this time of year, there's a bunch of new ones, and it happened to be there. Most of them were molting that day. So when we just started seeing all this natural forage, we just kind of started putting it together, at least for me. And so I decided to switch from the stationary kind of carp bait, because that can be kind of slow and it doesn't really match Max's fishing style, so it would kind of be a weird dynamic throughout the day. So I decided to start catching some crawfish out of the river, because here in Colorado you have to use crawfish within half a mile of that water body, and the water body you catch it out of has to be attached to that main water body. So you couldn't catch crawdads out of the St. Vrain Creek and then fish with them in the Poudre River. So obviously there was a ton of crawfish. We were tripping all over them in the river. They were everywhere, so it didn't take me long to catch some crawfish. As soon as I caught the crawfish though, it was a game changer, and the carp acted completely different from when they hit the corn. Instead of waiting for this bite, and then, when you're using bait for carp, they're very smart, and their lips, I feel like, are people's fingers. They can just feel things, and they're very wary of everything. And so they literally will just nip at your corn or bread, and they know they can just strip it off there. And so, but with a crawdad, especially a live one, ones they're already feeding on, and that's another thing out there, people, that you need to understand about carp. They're considered a non-predatory fish. But the things I saw in the Poudre River and the things I've seen from fishing with Max is that they are predatory fish. And I've caught carp with crawfish one time before, but I kind of chalked it up as to a fluke. But it surely wasn't, because this day as soon as I switched to the craws, it was a game changer. Then all of a sudden I could sight fish from where before, using a stationary bait, a non-live bait, it wasn't getting the kind of action that we all want as fishermen, which is that sight fishing. That's the best. So after I switched to these live craws, I was able to sight fish just as Max was able to move with this fly from place to place, and it just made for a fantastic day. We didn't catch any absolute giants, but we did catch a lot of fat carp, a lot of big belly fat carp, and that's just indicative of the environment they're in. And that just, you know, like other rivers in Colorado that I've wet waded in, I just don't see that kind of forage, and it was just absolutely everywhere. So I hope you all like the video. I'm going to try to do more content like this where I'm switching it up and just trying to really dial it in, and even go into more thorough overviews of what I'm using and how I'm using them, and I'll try to do it more in real time as well. So like I said, if you're just here to the channel, thanks for tuning in. If you want to subscribe, that would really help the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs up anyway. It still helps me. But I love you all. Namaste. I hope you're all at relative ease and peace. I hope you enjoy the video. We'll talk to you later. Until next time. Max, the pro carp fisherman. Didn't take you long.
No. First fish we saw.
Yeah. So.
He's not a bad size.
Not a bad size fish at all. I saw more. I see more down over there. We're working in the water.
It's gonna be a good day, dude. You heard that net and was like, no thank you. Right. Just in that side pressure. And as soon as you max out, hit them on the other. Oh yeah. Oh.
Not a bad fish.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, he ain't ready.
No, thank you.
Yeah.
I'll stay out of that net. Please.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, dude, this guy, he's tiring me out.
Yeah, dude.
I didn't take him for much of a scrapper, but give me a run for the money. That's for sure. Alright, dude. That's it. You're ready, aren't you? No!
Dude, guy doesn't want to give up.
I want to give up at all.
Yeah, there he is. Nice. Oh yeah, man.
Yeah, dude.
Not bad at all. You want me to get the measuring tape?
Dude, he's got a big old head on him, doesn't he?
Yeah.
I got some tape. I'd say about 26, 27. His head is way bigger.
Let's say 20, 28.
Oh, bitch.
So my buddy Max over here just hooked into a nice one.
Nah, this one's too small.
Oh. Apparently it's a small one, but still. Fish on.
I waited for this fish for a long time. He's been suffering right on the shore. I just didn't have a good angle. Waited him out. I actually missed another one right before this. There we go.
You gotta love this fish, man. There's quite a few in this section.
I really want to go upstream a bit too.
Yeah, we can. Should probably watch my line so it doesn't get pulled into the river. Or my rod doesn't get pulled into the river. Oh man. Little lean dude. Cool, man. Well, I'm gonna go wash my line so it doesn't get bamboozled. I got one too. Yeah. Double trouble.
Bring it over here.
Wow, he's a little guy. Yeah, man. Probably should have just netted him over there and brought him down. So I'm gonna do that right here. Oh. Oh shit. Well, I guess I'm getting down there now. Ow. All right. Oh. All right. Nice. I'm gonna bring my carp to you. He's not a big one, but still fun. I'm glad I went and checked my rod. As soon as I came over, I just saw the line. Boop, 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 boop. Where'd you get down? Right here?
Right here. Like this step kind of.
Yeah, it's like kind of same deal.
That is too fucking awesome. Doubles, baby.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I don't have my fucking phone. It's usually hooked up with a pop socket so I can take good photos.
Well, you just have the tripod now set up when I'm home solo. Gotta get the hook at him still.
Oh, ow.
Oh, he got it out on his own. Thank you, barbless hooks. Oh man. Should have brought the tripod over so then we could set it up.
Here we go. We got mud technology.
You got a timer on there?
Yeah, I do.
Got to with these guys. Or else you're not gonna get, because they like to thrash.
This is too fucking great. I've always wanted a double up carp photo.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, right?
This guy's pale. Pale, kind of orangey.
All right, dude. I got 10 seconds on the timer.
Okay.
So we pretty much need to be fucking ready.
Yeah.
All right.
That's why I'm kind of got my mitts on him right now.
9.
Oh, great. Oh, he's gone. Shit. Well, Max will get a photo. And I'll just have video evidence. Oh, man.
See, bud?
Right on, man.
Heck
awesome. Sorry to get a picture. Man, I like picked him up and his fin was stuck on the net, and as soon as he turned around, boom, right between my legs. Gone. Sucker was gone.
Sweet, dude.
Cool, man.
I'd say we might have freaked him out anyway in this hole.
Yeah.
Might be a good time to.
Could always come back and visit it.
Yes, that's my thought.
Because, dude, they're definitely feeding today.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, he's got it. Oh, man. They love the craws, don't they? There, I got it.
Yeah, that's not a bad size fish either.
No, it's not.
Don't they look small? But
Yeah, sometimes they do. Especially when you're looking at them up top.
Yep.
Dude. Yeah, they're tugboats, dude.
They are. He peeled some line, man.
Yeah, he did. Now, I need to upgrade my setup a little bit tougher. It's a little too light, I think.
What pound test?
8.
Yeah, it's not good. No. Like right now when there's no snag, no problem. But when you're in trees,
Oh, come on, guy. Oh, nope. Nope.
my net is bigger.
I know. I was telling Erica I need to get a carp net. If I got a 40-incher, there's no way I'd get it in this net.
You wouldn't land it.
Oh, thank you, sir.
They're in good body shape, dude. Again, not that long, but man, I mean, just thick as can be. This one might be 29 now.
Pictures of that. Snap a couple photos.
There you go.
Fatty.
Heck yeah.
Got a fatty belly one.
Big old lips.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mr. Carp.
Yeah,
man. Sweet.
You got it on video, you said?
Yep.
Cool. Let's just do the release. Yeah. Oh yeah, I took that craw. He went right for it. Excellent. He's not even fighting. There you go. Oh. Dude, my new favorite bait for carp is craws for sure. Hey, there's another one just got scooped up. Oh. There's that one you pointed out. There's that one you pointed out. He came back around and I threw it right in front of him. Same thing. Boom. I heard it. Felt him hit. Toosh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh. Come on, buddy. All right. Did you spit the hook? Nope. Right inside the mouth. Come on. Come on. Oh.
You want a photo?
Yeah, please. Oh. All right, Joe, we're gonna do a picture in a minute. Oh, beautiful carp. We're just gonna let it go. Bye, little baby. Mwah. You're trying to collect bait. Nice, bro. Nice work.
Did you get some bait?
No, they've been eluding me.
Goddamn cross. Hard to catch on the damn carp.
Wow, that guy's a ripper.
Yeah. Are you filming or
Yeah. Live action.
Yeah, another. I swear, sometimes, dude, those smaller ones fight way more. There's another fish with it, too.
Yeah, I saw them. They were like chasing each other around. All skitsy.
Yeah, those fish, I think I freaked them out or something. Oh yeah, there's another guy.
Yeah, that's what he was doing before. Did you see him when you were over here?
Yeah.
What's he doing?
That one, they're freaked out. They heard me coming. I think that's why they.
But it didn't hesitate for him to bite. Look at that other one still with him. You see it? He's like, if I had a craw, I'd throw it at the other one, see if I could get double trouble.
Little scrapper.
Little scrapper.
Sure.
They're all little scrappers. It's
Old hot lips.
freaking carp for you, dude.
Nothing small.
They're all fatties, dude.
Yeah.
They're all just big belly fatties. This was all the minnows.
Oh wow.
The way in there. So all the minnows and the crawdads everywhere.
Yeah,
they're just,
man, they're just
stuffed.
gorging. Their heads are giant.
Oh! See, he's about to shamu it out of here.
Basically. There we go. Fuck yeah, dude, another one. Jesus Christ.
Good day.
I don't know. Is that 4 or 5? I know for 4
For you? That's at least your third.
That's 4 for
Probably
sure.
4, because you caught one.
Yeah. I think I
One or maybe
almost
5.
right?
Because you caught 2 when I wasn't around, right? It was down the other strip.
Yeesh. All right, bud. Oh, this net makes things kind of tough. It's like I can't get in there.
Yeah,
There it
I
is.
need to get a new net.
Yet another Mr. Cop. Thank you, sir. Sweet. Shit.
Yeah, man.
Good times.
Hey, what's up, guy?
Tremendous day.
What are you doing, Big Red?
You want me to bring you some fresh thistle, young man?
Oh, it's okay. It's all right. Big Red's having nothing to do with me.